I'm also grateful for the generous hospitality extended to me and my delegation. Today, on day 4 of my visit to 4 African countries, it is indeed a pleasure to be in this vibrant city of Dar es Salaam. Excellency, I'm in agreement what you was talking into our meeting about the strength and future potential of our relationship. Friends, the eastern coast of Africa and Tanzania in particular have enjoyed a strong links with us. We are all maritime neighbors. Together, our leaders and our people have fought colonialism and radical and racial oppression. Our merchants have traded since early 19th century, and the vast strength of our Indian Ocean has kept our societies and our people connected. Friends, I'm deeply grateful to President Magufuli for agreeing to my visit on Sunday. It is a tribute to his motto of Hapa Kaji Tayu, meaning work and work only. President Magufuli has a vision for nation building, development and industrialization, a vision that is my dream for India too. Friends, India is already a substantial economic partner of Tanzania. The whole range of our economic ties are healthy and on upswing. Our two-way natural trade stands at around $3 billion US. Indian investments in Tanzania already total around $3 billion US, and Indian businesses in Tanzania continues to grow and expand. We consider it our privilege to be a trusted partner in meeting Tanzania's development priorities. Today, President Magufuli and I held detailed discussions on the full spectrum of our partnership. Our focus was to shape an action-oriented agenda of cooperation so that we talk these of potential and more of achievements on the ground. We agreed that our common desire of economic prosperity for our societies is creating new opportunities for expanding our cooperation. For this, both of us felt that we need to, one, deepen our partnership in agriculture and food security, including through enhanced export of pulses, from Tanzania to India to work together in development and use of natural gas. 3, partner in building up industrial economy capacities and institutions in Tanzania. And 4, deepen our trade and investment partnership by encouraging greater industry to industry ties. Friends, as a developing country, India understands the need and urgency to improve the lives of our people. And as a friend, what you want to achieve for your people will also be the focus of our efforts. In this regard, the completion of $100 million for increasing water supply to Dar es Salaam is a good achievement. We have just now signed an agreement for $92 million line of credit for water supply system in Zanzibar. We are also working on a number of other water projects for 17 cities. And for this, India is willing to consider an additional $500 million line of concessional credit. Public health is another important area of our engagement. We are ready to meet the healthcare priorities of the Tanzania government, including of supply of medicines and equipment. I am told that an Indian radiotherapy machine is being installed at Bugando Medical Center to treat cancer patients. Education, vocational training, and skill development are other areas of our priority and where India is willing to offer all possible assistance. I also understand that the IT Resource Center at the Nelson Mandela African Institute of Science and Technology, Arusha, is close to completion. India's cooperation with Tanzania will always be as per your needs and your priorities. Friends, being neighbors across Indian Ocean, President and I agreed to deepen our overall defense and security partnership, especially in the maritime domain. Our in-depth discussions on regional and global issues reflected our considerable convergence on issues of common interest and concern. We agreed to work closely, bilaterally, regionally, and globally to combat the twin threats of terrorism and climate change. On climate change, India had led the efforts to form an international solar alliance at COP21 in Paris. In this alliance, which had the support of over 120 countries, we welcome Tanzania as a crucial partner. Friends, we in India, we had the honor to receive every president of Tanzania. I look forward to welcoming President Magufuli in India at the earliest possible opportunity. Let me, in the end, thank you, Excellency, the President, for your friendship and for receiving me so warmly. Thank you.
आईसिस बहुत बड़ा खतरा, याद रखिए आप। सऊदी अरब के जेल में इनके नाम निहाद कोई उलेमा बैठे हुए हैं। उन्होंने इस बात को कहा कि जिस दिन दाइश के पास न्यूक्लियर बम मिलेगा, हम न्यूक्लियर बम को इस्तेमाल करेंगे।